Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually give yourself command blocks and use them inside of Minecraft. To do so, please make sure that you have Minecraft installed, and if you are in a server, give yourself OP command which give you all the permissions available, and if you are in Minecraft single player, give yourself the OpenSheet, which I already did a video about it, so make sure to watch it in the channel. Now let's get ahead and open our single player world, and yeah, just to tell you, I'm using the 1.19 version. If you have any other version, it will still work for you as long as it has the commands block inside of it. So let's get into our world, either it is multiplayer world or our single player world. So let's wait until it generates, and here we go. Let's just give ourselves the OpenSheet, which is I'm going to show you real quick, which is open to LAN, allow sheets on, and start LAN world. Now we can give ourselves game mode creative, and from here you can see if you can get any items you want and stuff like that. So let's check if we can get a command block using the game mode creative inventory. Let's click in here and write command block. As you can see, you can't really find command block through this menu. How you can do it? You can just click slash give your name or slot a, and then you will type command and choose the first one, which is like so, like that, and here you put how much command block you want for yourself. For example, let's click on, let's give ourselves for 64, and like that it is working. So now what we can do is put in this command block wherever you want, for example here, and we can, after doing it, you can click, for example, slash TP command to wherever you want, like that, and let's add this and click on done. And to make it work, we can add a lever or a button next to it, like so, on it, and let's add here slash TP at a, and something like that, and as you can see, it will teleport me. For example, if I were here, I will be teleported into there. So yeah, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.